Nobby's Beach is at the start of Bathers Way Walk. You can see Nobby's Lighthouse behind me. We're going to head 6 kilometres that way. Nobby's Beach is a great place for families to learn to surf.
Bathers Way Walking Tour is a tour, self-guided, leaflet picked up from the tourist office. Beware, the pathways are shared between bikes and walking.
If you don't fancy the walk, why not hire an electric bike? Newcastle's open bars construction began in 1910 and they were opened 12 years later. Great place for a swim, and they have an Art Deco pavilion for a snack. As we come up the hill, leaving Newcastle Beach, we come to King Edward's Park, another picture postcard area. If you have a pair of binoculars, this is the place to bring them. It's a feast to the eyes of migratory birds fattening themselves up to fly home. This swim hole is called the Bogey Hole, which was carved out of the rock by convicts for the then Commandant James Morissette. Just a word about the bike thing. If you hire them, there must be a different way. Shepherd's Hill Military Complex was key in World War II. It had a very clever 8-inch cannon which would recoil down behind a protective shield after it had fired, so they called it the invisible gun. There it was reloaded and it came back up again. As you pass the houses, you want to take the path up past the car park, not the road down. This stunning walkway was built to mark the centenary of the Anzac landings at Gallipoli. The steel silhouettes of the soldiers are carved with the names of the men who died, and this whole bridge honours everyone who fought or served, including the nurses. Don't forget to take water. There are taps where you can fill your bottles, and there are also drinking fountains along the way. I guess if you'd used the electric bicycle, you'd have avoided the bridge and a treat. So this is Bar Beach, which is a popular bathing place for families thanks to its sheltered rock pool at the northern end. Newcastle is not short of great beaches. This is Dixon Park Beach, and the headland above this beach is one of the best spots to spot breaching whales in the winter. Over there are Meriwether bars, the largest bars on the southern hemisphere. We've come to Meriwether Beach, the end of our walk. It's been a brilliant walk, lovely beaches along the way, not for the faint-hearted. It's taken us about 2 hours, but we're going to have a drink now and then walk back.
Actually, here at Meriwether, just next to the beach, is a small bus terminal, and you can catch one of 2 buses, the 21 or the 12.
The 21 will take you back to Nobby's Lighthouse, or you can get the 12, which will turn here at the KFC and take you down Hunter Street, and then you either walk back down Hunter Street to the cruise terminal, or you can go left back down to the beach.
Do enjoy all our films on Cruise Doris Visits, and please share.